Hi, I'm Nel from Assembly. As we have here our slim pantry. As we work in here, we have to do some things about the slim pantry. We have to put the clip, so it takes a lot of time. We get the slim pantry in here, then we put in here, then we have to put some accessories, so it will be ready for our job. So this is how we prepare our slim pantry for the job that coming in our station. So we must put it in here. So we're planning to make some changes in our workstation, so it will make easily. No need to go there to work for the slim pantry. That's all. Hi, it's me again, Nel from Assembly. As we have here now, we already finished our project. We have the slim pantry working table. So this is how it goes. This thing has a lock for safety, so the pull out will not coming inside like that. And also a legs. That's a have a key.
Oh, we got a key there?
Yeah. So it will have a lock when you need to put it back. And we add some station area here. We put hammer, the accessories that we need for the slim pantry, and a drawer box for the slim pantry clip. So no need to get some accessories there, and no, we can eliminate the waste of motion.
Alright.
Yeah.
What about the locks you did away?
Here, as you can see, there's a lock in here. First, we must lock this thing first.
Okay.
Then, and when it's automatically locked.
Alright. So you made down.
Yeah. That's all. Thank you.
Hey, sit up!
It's a wrap.
Perfect!
Perfect.
So it's just a wrap. That was good, thank you.